Dementia is not a normal part of aging. It means that there's something wrong with the brain.
And with dementia, something wrong can start simply. Losing keys, forgetting faces, searching for words that aren't quite there. Over time, those struggles can dominate daily life. And brain experts like BU professor Robert Stern want to know why.
There seems to be a bunch of different things that can increase people's risk for developing dementia later in life or decreasing the risk. None of them are 100%.
Right now, researchers believe age and genetics play a role. Same with diet and exercise. Researchers say people can choose to lower their risk by eating fish and healthy fats and adding aerobic workouts.
Those are the things that we can modify, and they have a direct impact on our overall health, and in particular, our brain health and risk for dementia.
But now another health issue is getting a lot more attention: hearing loss.
It's not going to cause a disease, but it will make the person function better if you take care of it. It will allow someone to be more socially engaged, more cognitively engaged.
But untreated, hearing loss could lead to social isolation, a known risk factor for dementia.
To be able to hear accurately means that you're able to continue to communicate with people, means that your brain doesn't have to work as hard to just have a regular conversation.
Researchers at Johns Hopkins University are recruiting older Americans for a clinical trial that will follow them for 3 years. The goal, figuring out whether hearing aids can slow or even reverse dementia. In the meantime, get your ears checked.
Anything that can be changed and modified and improved needs to be taken care of to allow the brain to function at its very best.
But hearing tests are not always part of an annual checkup, so think about requesting one from your doctor ahead of time. Doctors say often, if caught early enough, hearing loss is treatable.
Oh, that's...